Hello and welcome to your knitting crash course, teaching you to knit as quickly and simply as possible. I'm Emily and I'm going to teach you to knit right from step 1 up until the end of your first project. I knit prolifically. I learnt to knit when I was 6 years old and I've never looked back. I've been teaching people to knit for several years now. My successful new knitters have aged from 5 up into 60, so if they can do it, you can do it too. By the end of this course, you'll be able to do the very basics of knitting. We'll start with learning 2 fundamental stitches, knit and purl. I'll also show you how to start and end your project with casting on and off. Then we'll knit a scarf together using garter stitch. The ideal student is someone who wants to learn to knit quickly and easily, but doesn't want to have to trawl through the internet or attend an in-life class. You'll be able to learn to knit at your own speed, with help from me whenever you need it. So, if this sounds like the course for you, then go ahead and sign up. You'll be knitting in no time.